We have many different ways of praying, meditating, heightening our awareness of God. I've always been a beachcomber, walking, reflecting, and picking up shells and sea glass and shiny pebbles, and very often popping them in my pocket as a memory of that sense of peace, the amazing view, the glorious colour, the sights, the sounds, the tastes and the feel of that moment. My prayer focus in nature is on the same lines, giving thanks using my senses and combing for symbols to remind me of God's wonderful creation. So for that I need to pick up a few things, sticks and coloured leaves and feathers, fruits, seed heads. I have a shell, branches and leaves that remind me of God's wonderful creation. They're all a special link with my senses and with the seasons, and I tie them onto the prayer stick using grass or a natural piece of string, something that will erode with time. And in true Blue Peter style, here's one I made just now. This is my prayer stick for today. On this there are reminders of the smell, the feel, the taste and the sound and the sights of this season. Having completed my prayer stick, I will very often pop it in my car for a few weeks, or take it home and put it in my prayer space there to remind me of God's wonderful creation. But my favourite thing is to actually hang it in a tree. So that others may see this sign of thanksgiving. Hopefully it will blow in the breeze, the breath of God.